Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have 56 Chevy Wagon. Got big block power under the hood, restored beautifully. Have you seen what these things are going for lately? They're easily hitting the $100,000 mark and beyond. Go to our website, volocars.com, see what this one's going for. It's a bargain. Probably one of the least expensive ones out there that's in good condition. If you go to volocars.com, you also, aside from finding the price, you'll see all the pictures, you can read the description, and you'll find a few hundred other cars all for sale. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new videos come out. But right now, let me take you for a spin in this 1956 Chevy Wagon. So it's not the Nomad. The Nomad is the two-door premium wagon. I don't know if this would be called the Handyman Special or what, but it does have a back seat, but it's a two-door car. This was painted in the 1990s. It looks like it was done yesterday. It's held up really well. Standing the test of time is the best test you can give one of these cars. It's straight. It's not popping and bubbling. This all fits nice. This is smooth as silk. All real nice all around here. It is a two-tone. I don't know if you can tell that. All real nice. And notice there's no handle and there's no door handles. It opens with remote. Re-chrome tail lights. Got the bow tie lenses there. I don't know how many people know where the gas is on a 56 Chevy. I actually sold one of these once, and the guy had to call me from the gas station. He had no idea where to fill it. It's got the wagon bumper where it pushes in a little bit so you can get closer to it. All the glass is excellent. It might be new. It looks that good. It's got torque thrust wheels. This trim is new. Open the door. It's all reupholstered inside. Windshield looks new. All this trim looks polished. It's got disc brakes in front. Underneath the car, it's got a turbo 400 automatic. It's got 373 Richmond posi in the back. All this chrome, beautiful. The bird, the bezels, all of that's excellent. Under the hood, that's a 454 that's been bored out to a 468, so it's a big block. It's got a power brake system. It does have power steering. It has serpentine belt system, polished water pump, billet brackets. The engine's painted purple. Aluminum radiator with a shroud, electric fan, a polished overflow bottle, and it has the fan on the front of the motor. I mentioned new windshield that does have a wiper mark on this side. There is a button in the grill that lowers the power window. That might be how you get in, put the window down and reach in and open it. So it's got power windows, all custom upholstered. I probably should have checked before we started the video. Oh, this feels like it just opens manually like that. You got a wood deck back here. Looks solid underneath. So it's nice embossed door panels, matching upholstery on the seats, the whole headliner, all the way back is all done, carpeted. It's got digital gauges on a tilt column. It's got a stereo system. It's got two stereos, 2 for 1. You got one in the dash and one below the dash. It's got a shifter on the floor. It's an Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor. It has a set of fat headers. Looks like a Mallory ignition system, electric wipers. It's a new battery. It's got a transmission cooler. It has 2 coolers, so one's probably transmission, one might be for oil. So why don't I start it up for you? These wagons are fun. You can throw all your stuff in there. You can throw the kids in there. Starts right up. I didn't even touch the gas pedal. Runs smooth. It's got a billet gas pedal. Always to close the window first. There are two switches on the dash. One is labeled trunk, one's labeled fan. I don't know if that unlocks the trunk, the tailgate. I'm not sure, but I'll check on that. You can go to our website and read the description. I'll look into that a little further and make some notes. Nice car. Restored that long ago and looks like it was just done. Beautiful, big block Chevy wagon. For what we're asking, it's a deal. I'm sure anything in this price range won't be half this condition. So visit volocars.com. There is where you find all the ways to contact us. We'll be happy to answer your questions, concerns about the car, the process. We have delivery, we have financing. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.